Hi everyone. If you're new to this channel, my name's Josh. I am an attic insulator and I've been an attic insulator for the past 3 years. I do pretty close to 1,000 houses every year, and I upload one edited video every Tuesday as well as one short every Thursday and on the weekends as well. So check out my channel, check out my other videos, my shorts. Please give a nice thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. For the challenge that was for a great cause. I am so happy about the awesome participation. It was definitely heartfelt to see everybody having a good time, putting in their bids. Alright, so without further ado, drum roll please. Alright. And the winner is Truth Guitar Method! Congratulations, my friend. You have won. Guessed 85 and the actual number was 89. So fantastic. Great job. I wanted to give a nice surprise to all of my viewers. I'm actually going to donate and round up the number that I'm going to donate to $100! I feel pretty festive. So yeah, no, it's all going to my mother's charitable business, which also makes handmade masks. So again, you can check out that at the link that I provided below on the video description. And everybody make sure that you stay tuned for the entire video because I am going to show you a dream home that everybody would love to have, or if you already have one, congratulations. The attic insulation added is an R60 as usual, so that's almost 2 feet of insulation of loose fill. Owens Corning fiberglass. Every other video that I've done, I've provided Amazon affiliate links below. I'm an Amazon affiliate, and I provide links to sort of half mast like this. Not exactly this one, but the Honeywell version that I found on Amazon. On all of my other videos, you can click on the link below if you're interested in purchasing that equipment. This is all equipment that I've used or that I do use. And so it's all things that obviously I recommend. So definitely check that out and have yourself an awesome holiday Christmas.